To remove and install the battery on your RZR Pro R, follow these steps. Park the vehicle on a flat, level surface, ensure the vehicle is in park, and remove the key. Begin by removing the driver's seat by pulling up on the seat latch lever located under the front edge of the seat. Then, tilt the seat forward and upward to remove from the vehicle. For ultimate models, disconnect the heated and ventilated seat connector prior to removing the seat. Continue by disconnecting the black negative battery cable first to prevent arcing and securely set away from the battery terminals. Tip: reinstalling the fasteners into the battery post will help prevent misplacement. Then, pull the red boot back from the positive cable and remove the red positive cable and set the cable aside. Next, remove the two screws securing the battery hold-down strap and set the strap aside. Now, push the seat lever and slide the seat forward. Then, pull the battery toward the driver's side of the vehicle and tilt up to remove. If reinstalling the battery, ensure it is fully charged and free of any debris to prevent damage. Follow the instructions in the battery charging section of your owner's manual before installing the battery. Next, clean any dirt or debris from the battery box. Then, place the battery into the battery holder and slide into place. Continue by sliding the seat all the way back. Next, install the battery hold-down strap and torque to specification. Then, install the positive cable first to prevent arcing and torque to specification. Continue by installing the negative cable and torque to specification. Now, coat both terminals with dielectric grease or petroleum jelly. Next, reinstall the positive cable protector boot. Before proceeding, verify the cables are secure and properly routed. Then, reinstall the seat by sliding the seat tabs at the front edge onto the seat retainer tubes. Then, press down firmly at the rear of the seat to engage the rear latches. Ensure the seats are latched securely. For ultimate models, reconnect the heated and ventilated seat connector prior to installing the seat. Finally, turn the key on to verify the battery has been connected properly. When the battery is disconnected, the vehicle's clock may need to be reset. For more information, see your authorized Polaris dealer or visit Polaris.com.